you?
I am.
I'm trying to read. I'm trying to read.
Mfana lakho. Oh. Why ungaze sokwami namhlanje? You're such a copycat.
I'm in continuity.
You're such a
Move
copycat.
it! My phone is ringing.
Eva musa quiz. Sanibonani. Niyaphila Nkosi yami. Nikhononi kade ngangigcina. Thenginibingelele. Sizwe wathi bo mama omkhulu munye kuphela umama omkhulu weqiniso guys. Munye kuphela nje. So
ungakwazi ukunikeza umakhelwane nongenzansi?
nginstressa ngani manje guys?
Yeah, uzamukwazi nje lapha egcekeni ukuthi ungenzansi.
Let's show a verse of the day. We haven't done the verse of the day in a while.
Yes, ungenzansi.
Yo.
Time to party.
Usuqamba mask ngoba sizwile kuthiwa lost setup.
No, they said sit down.
You did not say sit down.
Oh my gosh. We can go.
Oh my gosh, this girl.
Twice go. Please confirm
They are
that
rolling.
It's down. Blocking. Please confirm that it's sitting down. Block. I wish we could block it the next time. Twice go.
Fine.
Traveling with the actors. I'm coming down with Nomkosi and Mabusi.
No, Nomkosi and Mamkululi.
The second.
No.
Let's go and work.
Ngicela ungifase uziplana wembumbulu mama mkhulu.
Ukuthi sit down so siyenza manje siyangikhona.
Wow, guys. The only Mamkululi that matters, guys. Thank you.
The only Mamkululi that matters. Ayibona abantu ma-personal manje.
I-personal vele lento leni. Woza nomkhosi. Hawu. Waze wa very Demure. Niyangibona.
Hi, guys.
Niyangibona.
My name is Demure. I'm one of the people who do not understand.
It's what? Have you not seen the videos of that guy?
What guy?
Okay, I'll show you on TikTok. Well, Mamkululu and very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. You see? Ubunzima oh.
Mina don't even know what's in there.
Usazanzima? Usipamadleni khona?
Dead. As always. Dead. Sleeping.
Ningavumi ukususwa.
Uba.
Ukususwa for into yini. Ngeke vele baze basuse labantu labo.
Are you sure?
They
Am I not still here? My darling, I'm taking your throne.
You cannot confirm now.
I'm sacking your throne.
You cannot.
Yeah.
I'd cool.
Yes.
Yes. Sawawalo. Guys, Twabo mama mkhulu bethu ay.
Ngicela ungashare naye.
Thank
Ngisho
you.
nje ngingedwa ngompethu.
Hello quiz. Ngizengilele kwesibili. Hello baby. Uba mama mkhulu ngempela ntuthu. Uba mama mkhulu ngempela. Ngikhethe. Silap. Sishutha lapha ne. Oba lapha sila. Oh, cishe ngangena kwisathe wrong. Abang. Ma into ngikhohlile igawuni. That's what I forgot. It's actually scared. It's actually cold, man. Yebo. Why does hang come on? Oh, hold on. Because really, when you evil.
Now it's nice and warm. I keep my baby.
Thank you. ngikuzwile ukuthi utheni ngami eradweni
Ngithini?
ubuthini Tom Timothy Tom
Yes, sir.
Mtauzi
Yo.
Mutama
Yabona ngithi kanjani?
Hayi kahle Maswabi. Karabo used to say that all the time in Tunisia. Maswabi, ciao.
Anyways, asiqaleni bafowethu.
1, 2, 3. Go. Ooh, kuyakudumisa. Okay. Nomkhosi, ngiyazi ukuthi kade ucela ufuna ukubona uma uyazi ukuthi ukwenze wabanzima kanjani ukuthi aphume kanjani hayi line wami hawu ubengafuna ukubona kodwa ke useze wavuma nangoku ma
Uyangicasula manje. Uyangithi ngithini kwena? Uyangicasula.
Mshaye Thasile mshaye.
Ngasimba isiqumbu sonke.
Cha ma bengazi.
Suka kwa wena la suka lapha mwami.
So, indlela eblockini ngayo.
Guys, they are running.
Awusoze ugumbe.
Fanele Lungile phela phuma sithando sami. 3 2 1 ngizonimute futhi manje ngoba sezerana futhi ama lines ngiyaxolisa ke noma ngicishe vele live. Nomkhosi ngiyazi ukuthi ucela ukubona uma uyazi ukuthi kubenza kanjani ukuthi ngivumele ukuthi eze la uzokubona nangu usihleli lapha ungakhuluma nami.
Ngiyacela
Hi, because it got tense.
So
Does my work out at the end of the scene? Do you work out? Okay. Ungishiya nalo?
I think now you use on level now. Yeah. To check
Oh.
Someone to find
Ah! Kuthiwa ngathi yaze serious isin banibona from your guys' miming. Kazi usenzeni?
it's so thin. Drama.
Alrighty.
Sina ungavezi.
Asho blind.
Oh. Ngokutshela ukuthi Cela nibhekeni guys ilokhuza lo mama lona ubhala ukuthi umamkhululi yena. Uyena umamkhululi. Okay, twice mfethu phakathi mfethu twice manje why you fighting twice? We here. We are here. But I know they will disappoint me and forgive and welcome them back. Of course, he is very jealous, of course. Ngihamba ngalana njalo every day angibazi why behamba kani. Bazenza juice uzobona ngizofika qala kunabo futhi. Ngizofika kuqala kunabo. No. See, I told you. I'm here first. Of course our GOP is eating. Of course he's eating. Are you my nigga? Of course. My first AD is just chilling, doing nothing. Of course my cousin is pretending to be working when she's not. Of course she is running her mouth as always. Sanibonani guys. Ngiyaphila. Khona nangubhuti owenza show ukuthi konke ubukeka kuhle. Hey, but why is Name on this live? Because nathi kumayelana nani? Sanibona hawu ninjani? Khona Slender sawubona. Ngikhona. Slender. Where am I sitting? Am I sitting here? Yes. Guys, I can't kukulong na. They don't work every day. Hi, Changar, sir. Okay guys, I have to go. Our director's here on set now. There's our director, Mr. Jedi. Hello, sir. How are you? Good. Okay, bye-bye, guys.
Right.